In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export contacts from Outlook, whether you want to download all of them or just a specific set. In Outlook.com, go to People page. Select from the toolbar on the right the option to manage and then export contacts. A CSV with your contacts will be saved to your computer in the default Downloads folder. I just opened it in Google Sheets. It should include all your contacts and all data fields from Outlook, even empty ones. These files may look really messy and not handy when you need to import contacts into another app. And what if you need to export only specific contacts into the file? For example, just those contacts that were created in the last 2 days. Unfortunately, Outlook does not allow you to select or filter the data exported from your contacts list. But you can do that with Import to Wizard. Go to import2.com. Free trial is available. Sign up for instant access and try. Once signed up, you will see the Import to Wizard dashboard. Start a new export. Import to Wizard works with multiple cloud apps. To start exporting, add your Outlook connection to Import to Wizard. Then you can choose the fields you wish to have in the CSV file. Select from all available contact fields in Outlook. Press Save and Continue. To exclude unnecessary data, you have an option to apply filters. I select to include only contacts created during the last 2 days. And that's it! A file with your specific contacts is ready to be downloaded to your computer. Now that your selected contacts are downloaded to a CSV file, you can use them the way you planned. Before we finish up, I have one advanced option to share with you. It is the ability to schedule your contacts export to happen automatically. On selected time and day, contacts will be delivered to you in a CSV, to your email or Dropbox account. Also, you can send your Outlook contacts to Google Sheets. Trust your import and export tasks to Import to Wizard. Visit import2.com for more information.